Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing a work zone and removing outlet covers. This saves time and prevents damage. Measure walls precisely and add roughly 10% extra for pattern matching, then cut strips now to streamline installation. Once done, clean the wall thoroughly with a degreaser and light sand any glossy paint. That ensures adhesion. Make sure to fill holes and prime bare patches so the wallpaper bonds evenly. These first actions prevent bubbles and misalignment later, so take them deliberately. You apply wallpaper beginning at a corner or a plumb line to stay straight. That prevents cumulative shift. If using paste, paste the back and book the paper briefly. If peel and stick, press firmly from the top down. Once aligned, smooth from the center outward with a squeegee to expel air. Use a seam roller only on seams. Then trim top and bottom with a fresh blade for a clean edge. Make adjustments now while the adhesive is fresh, because repositioning gets harder later. You finish by cleaning off stray paste and checking every seam. A damp sponge removes residue without harming paper. Once edges are trimmed, seal areas near sinks or stoves with a thin silicone bead to protect from moisture. If a bubble appears, don't panic. Lift that seam slightly or pierce with a small pin and smooth out with the squeegee. This preserves pattern and adhesion. Finally, reattach hardware and inspect for gaps. If corners peel, add a tiny amount of adhesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.